Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Ali Ibrahim Omar, pioneer class of 1996, proudly rebuilding my school.
My name is Fartun Hussain. I'm class of 1998, proudly rebuilding my school.
My name is Ummi Mohammed Bashir. I'm class of 1998, a proud alumni of Al-Huda Muslim Primary School, and I'm rebuilding my school.
Abu Bakr Khamis Mohammed, class of 1999, proudly rebuilding my school.
Khadija Abdullahi, class of 99, proudly rebuilding my school.
My name is Abdul Wahab Bakai, class of 2000, Al-Huda Primary School, proudly rebuilding my school.
Amina Abdi Haji, Al-Huda Primary School Muslim Alumni, class of 2003, proudly building my school.
Sadia Mohammed, class of 2003, proudly rebuilding my school.
My name is Mohammed Maalim Bakai, class of 2009. I'm proudly rebuilding my school.
My name is Safia Abdinasir, class of 2009. I'm proudly building my school, Al-Huda.
My name is Tawakal Bakai Maalim, class of 2013, proudly rebuilding my school.
Yeah, my name is Zakaria Ibrahim Abdullahi, an alumni at Al-Huda Muslim Primary School, class of 1999, and I am proudly rebuilding my school.
My name is Ahmed Musa Ali, the patron of the alumni, former head teacher for almost 12 years, proudly rebuilding the school I left.
Shuraim Abdi Aziz, proudly helping my mom to rebuild the school.